WireMasters recently announced a global partnership with Aero Electric Connector, a division of Conesys. Now, as a Category C distributor for Aero Electric, WireMasters is QPL approved to value add the following connector product lines: MIL DTL 38999 Series 1, 2, and 3, MIL DTL 26482 Series 2, and MIL DTL 83723. With the addition of this partnership, WireMasters now maintains more than $10 million in component inventory on the shelf, ready to be assembled into MIL circular connectors and quickly shipped for your application. For more information about connectors from WireMasters, contact your WireMasters account executive. Call 855-WM-38999 or visit wiremasters.com.